Hi you guys, welcome back for another video. Today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, so thank you so much to them. You guys know I've been working with them for a long time and I'm excited to share with you the what I eat in a day video today. I wanted to quickly let you guys know that to answer a lot of your guys' questions, I do track my macros periodically. So at the end of this video, I will include what my macro count was for the day when I filmed the video. I was a little short on protein, so I wanted to throw that out there. Please keep in mind that macro numbers are specific to that individual, and so don't try to replicate somebody else's macro count. But I wanted to share with you guys what I ate in a day so you can see. A lot of you guys have asked me to make this video, and so I wanted to get it done for you. I also wanted to show you how Home Chef is very easily implemented into any lifestyle. They have healthy, fresh foods that fit perfectly into a healthy and fit and active lifestyle. Whether you're low carb, whether you're just trying to eat clean, whole foods, whether you're doing a Whole30, paleo, any of the dietary things out there, you can easily customize a Home Chef meal to accommodate those things. For me, I have been more recently tracking my macros again. As you guys know, I go through periods where I'm really tracking and other times where I'm not. I've recently refocused into that, and so I wanted to show you how I make Home Chef work for a fitness-minded individual, so that you guys know if you're looking for an easy way to spice up your life and you've been eating the same boring meals over and over again, you can order Home Chef and have them shipped right to your front door. All the ingredients are super fresh, super healthy. I've never received anything from them that I didn't like for almost over a year now, so that says a lot. So the links will be down below. Be sure to check out with my link because there is a discount if you're a new customer. So I hope you guys enjoy this what I eat in a day. If you have any questions for me, post them in the comments below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.